family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. And as you see from the title, we're going to review the new Nest fragrance, and that is none other than vanilla bourbon. Okay, this right here is what we're gonna talk about. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts and my experience, just keep watching. So let's start off with versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? I would have to say no. I don't think that this fragrance is versatile. I think this is a very fall forward fragrance. Now they did roll this out in the summer season. I don't think that was the best rollout for this. However, does it prepare for the fall? Yes. So I feel like in that type of season, you would be able to get with this. Now, occasion, like where are you wearing this to? I would say definitely I'm not wearing this to any brunch, not even dinner, like not even a dinner date. I would absolutely wear this to more of like an errand. So very easy reach, easy going, like if you're going running errands or if you have to pick something up. I would say for those type of things. Maybe I would say this, maybe not like a sexy date night, but if you were going to like a pumpkin patch, something fun, if you were going bowling, if you were going skating, something like real chill, fun, going to like a pool hall, laid back. Yes, I can see you wearing vanilla bourbon to those types of places if you were dating in those scenes. So very relaxed, easy breezy occasion. Not sexy, not brunch with the girls, nothing close to that in my humble opinion. All right, let's move on. Now, packaging. Oh my goodness, I absolutely adore the packaging. Now, I have the travel size that I've been testing out, but the full bottle, oh my goodness, it has like similar flowers to this. It's like, brown and cream. It's very fall-ish type of picture floor. Like, I don't know. It gives me, again, fall vibes, but it's very pretty. I think it sits like a picture on your dresser. It's a beautiful bottle in my humble opinion. I feel it would go with any aesthetic that you were trying to get with because it's like neutral colors, right? But it is so beautiful. Love the packaging. I love Nest packaging. I feel like they're like a picture, like a floral picture put together in a bottle. Like it is so beautiful in my humble opinion. They're smaller, right? They're not like obnoxiously big. Like it's nothing like that, but it sits so comfortable and cute on your dresser. And yeah, love the packaging. A1 classic packaging. All right, let's move on. Now let's talk about pricing, okay? So this ranges from $32 to like $92. I would say in this world of fragrance and pricing going up, the pricing is okay, right? I think it's really good comparison to, but yeah, I think the travel size, I would love it to be in the $25 range, but it is what it is, right? We're here. So the pricing is not bad, right? Comparison to, I think it's all right. What do you all think? Let me know what you think about Nest pricing. Now their oil, now I think that's foolery, about $100 plus. I think that's a little bit much. I get it. It's an oil. I wait for the Sephora sale with that one. However, this particular fragrance, I really think the pricing is good. Would I love it to be in the $80 range? Maybe give me a $10 discount off. Yeah. So absolutely wait for the Sephora sale to come along so you can get your discounts and then get your really good pricing. All right, sis. Now, does this fragrance lean more masculine or feminine? I would have to say, I think this is a really good unisex fragrance, okay? in my opinion, I feel like a man can get away with this fragrance. I also feel like a woman can get away with this fragrance. So men out there, yes, she is talking to you. I feel like you can absolutely get away with this fragrance. And women, same to you. So this definitely leans more unisex, right in the middle, in my opinion. All right. So this was launched in this year. And so let's get into the notes. So this is a more of a warm, gourmand, as they describe it, fragrance. Okay. So notes, we have vanilla bourbon, brown sugar, and night blooming jasmine. Okay. So really simple notes, you know, but I will say, I feel like they left a note out. I'ma say it. I've been testing and trying it. You know, I feel like they left a note out of this. And I'm going to say, I feel like a dark chocolate note is in this fragrance. It doesn't say it, you know? Doesn't tell you. But I really feel like there is something dark chocolate, or maybe the notes bring out a dark chocolate note, whatever it is. I smell dark, bitter chocolate up in this, okay? So if you are not into chocolate, and again, this is like a dark chocolate, so more again on the bitter side. So if you're not into chocolate, I don't know if this will be your jam, right? I really feel like this might be, you would be more safe trying it in a travel size just to see if you vibe with it or not. Like full bottle, blind buying it, nah, okay? Would not suggest that, but do I feel like I get me a little chocolate? They didn't tell you. I think it's chocolate. And maybe that's why it's brown. I know it says bourbon. But I think it's because it's chocolate. So let me tell you my full thoughts on this fragrance. Do I like it? Do I not? Sis, what do you think? You know, thank you for giving us all those notes, details. What you think, girl? I do like it, okay? And I, look this side, like, I do like it. Now, do I love it? No, I don't love this. But the season for this is absolutely fall. Like, I was testing this out in the summer months. So when I was testing it, all I kept thinking about is this would be good in a cold climate, like something that you have to like cozy into, right? I feel like, now, would I get a full bottle of this? Not on my coins. I want to say that, which is really like, oh, not on my coins, but I would not mind this in a gift. Okay? It's one of them. Like, if somebody wanted to buy this for me, I would appreciate them. But for me to buy a full bottle of this fragrance, even though it has vanilla in it, you know? Yeah, no, I think it's definitely a like for me, right? I can't say that this won't be in my collection, right? You know, I put stuff on my wish list for the masses, okay? You know, for the friends, the family, for the masses. You know, I put you on my wish list. So, would I put this on my wish list for somebody else to purchase for me? Yes. Now, sis, why wouldn't you, like, buy this, like, yourself? And I only say that is because I don't love it. Like, I am not in love with this, and I feel like it's only for a season, if that makes sense. Like, this is not something that I can, like, wear on date nights throughout season, or, like, in brunch throughout seasons, or even, like, something that I really, like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love with. It's not one of those. It is absolutely a nice scent. It has its time, and that time is when it gets cold and the wind is blowing and the leaves are falling. It is fall season. And I don't know, like, to put my coins on, like, just for a season, I don't know. And I'm not, like, in love with it. Probably not, right? It's not. But again, I have no beef with this fragrance. You know, we cool. We cool. We can be in the same room. But again, it's a season. And also, I feel like men, you can absolutely get away with this. Like, if a man were to wear this, I would be like, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah. How you doing? Where you been? What? Like, I would look. I would look. I would look. I'm not saying I'm gonna touch, but I would look. I really feel like, bruh, like, I really feel like you can get away with this. Like, but let me know. Like, bruh, go out there, test it. Maybe go to Sephora or get you a travel size and you let me know your thoughts. I feel like you all can get away with this. Anyway, I have no beef with her. I am not raving about her. And I am not a bitter, dark chocolate fan. Like, just in any sense. You know, like if you don't have a sweet or a milky or something like that. Now, I know this also like has brown sugar in it, right? So there is a sense of sweet to it. But again, it doesn't say dark chocolate, but I feel like there's this bitterness that is in this and it gives me a chocolate feel. Like, that's all I can say. I would love to know you all's thoughts. Have you experienced this? Now, the longevity of this. It's Ness. This is that. Oh, okay. You want me to go deeper? It gives you about 4 to 5 hours, but it sits closer to skin. So for me, I have to put my nose in it to smell it. I would absolutely overspray. I would suggest overspraying because if you don't, you don't have no hope. No hope in you don't have no hope in them streets. Ain't nobody gonna smell you. Not even a little bit. Okay. But did I get compliments with this? No. I didn't get no parts of the compliments. I didn't even compliment myself. I mean, again, it was nice. It was okay. But I wasn't like, oh, girl, you smell delicious. Like, it wasn't one of them. And I like the delicious, you know. Go with it. Your sis extra. I like that deliciousness. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like being deliciousness, you know, but nah, it gave me bitter. You know, I smell bitter. Maybe not, but I will say when I put this on skin, testing it out, trying it, I was like, what is this reminding me of, right? I'm like, what? This is reminding me of something. Again, not a dupe, but remnants, like reminding me. No lie. It gave me Juicy Couture, Gold Couture. Juicy Gold Couture. I might be messing that name all up. But Juicy Couture, the gold one. Gold Couture. Yeah. It gave me this. But now I will say, this is more floral heavy than this is. Now this is a bitter, but less on the floral. Like the floral is very much like you smell the floral, but it's in the background to me. You know, you smell it, but it's not as like predominantly like this is like very white floral heavy to me. Comparison to. So, but like there is something in this that kind of reminded me like of this. Like, yeah. So if you were wanting to know like compared to sis, like what does it smell like on you? Gold Juicy Couture. Like that fragrance, like to me, again, just the floralness of it, dial that back. And then I feel like you get vanilla bourbon. Again, I don't think they're dupes of each other. So can you have both? Yes. Like I don't, and I keep saying this, but I don't dislike this, right? It's on the like list. and it gets on my wish list, right? Somebody else can purchase it for me, but it is for a season called fall. And that's all I can say. But I would love to know your thoughts. I know that there are some family members that have tested this and tried this. We would love to know your thoughts in the comments. But honey, those are my thoughts. Like, if you have any questions for me, feel free to comment down below. But make sure you subscribe. Please give me the thumbs up. When you give me the thumbs up, a lot more people can come to this channel, join the family if they vibe with the vibes of me. But they can join the family. So yes, please give me a thumbs up. Share me. Sharing is caring. And yeah, okay. See you next time. I love you, family. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, yeah, you said it, grace, okay? And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.